Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve this fraction by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one addition, one division, and one multiplication in numerator and one denominator. So first we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. Numerator is 10 plus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 6. In numerator we have one addition, one division, and one multiplication. According to the rule, multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now in left side we have division. So first we solve division, then we solve multiplication. So equation become 10 plus 8 divided by 4, they give us 2 multiplied by 6. Now we have one addition and one multiplication. So first we solve multiplication, then we solve addition. So 10 plus 2 times 6, they give us 12, and 10 plus 12, they give us 22. Now we add denominator. Denominator is divided by 3. So 22 divided by 3. So 3 times 7, they give us 21, and 22 minus 21, they give us 1. We add 0, so we write here point. So 3 times 3, they give us 9. Now again they give us 1, we add 0. 3 times 3, they give us 9. Again they give us 9. So it means they give us 7.333. So the answer is 7.333.